How about some flint down here? Well, they got the leftovers and the Jordan 1 mids. One of the employee knows me that they have something like this one. University Gold mids. Day of the Dead 125. It's much more cheaper online. There we go. You found something. We got the Kill Shot 2 leather 39.97. This hood is kind of cool. Retail is 229.97. Now focus for the Nike Air Max 270 React. Great school. Alright, so we're down here at the Nike factory store, and I might gonna go home right now and might gonna pick up the family, come back and pick up more of this particular shoe because those are good reselling shoes. Alright, so this is what we pick up from the Nike factory store. We had a 2 transaction, so just like what I mentioned, I had to go home and get the family, but mom is only available. So starting off, I got the Kill Shot 2 leather down here, 39.97, and pick up one of the sizes is 11, some 10.5. I think I got 2 size 10.5 because I really like it. See, it's very versatile shoe. So I pick up 2 size, my size, 39.97 for retail, or $90. Kill Shot 2, not bad for that one. So when I got back, first transaction, I got 5 pairs. But then when I got back, they're gone. I was like, what happened? It's just all about like couple of hours, like 2 or 3 hours. Then I got back, they're gone. And I saw just resellers already picked them up. It's already gone. Okay. And then next one, we got the Air Jordan 1 made Day of the Dead. They call it Day of the Dead. Is that what they send? And look at those. Nice quality on this one. The retail is $125. Man, the only thing is they only let me buy 1 pair, and you can't buy 2 or more. So that's what's going on the store. If it's a Jordan something like that, they won't let you buy 2 or more. They only 1 customer per item. And then this one, when I got back, it's also there's also a bunch that I left off when I did my first transaction. But then when I got back for the second time with they're all gone. I mean, like maybe one of the employee notify one of the reseller, hey, this is a hot item, you better come, or it's all gone. It's the list they were selling in the store $159.99. Retail is $250, and to my surprise, really, they got one in the store. The resale value right now, they were running somewhere 240, 250, maybe 260 pushing on StockX. But then you can resell this one on eBay for more expensive, like 300, because this one is a limited from Kipchoge or something, the fastest runner. So that's why the hype is right there. Next percent Zoom X Vaporfly next percent. So even though they are 250 retail, they're reselling high. Got lucky that when I went back there, some of the dude is restocking them. So I just got lucky that one of the size, couple of size 8, which is more expensive, resale is they got more of the size 8 on the back. So there we go. And then I got another, this one, first time that I got in there, nothing, they don't have this one. And then when I got back, they got it on the display, and like someone is trying to look at them, holding on them. Maybe it's not their size, that's why they didn't got them, and it's my size. I think I was already got me my set aside my size, but looks like this one is been tried on, or if it's been tried on, I might keep this one, and then or the other one that I have it in the house, that might gonna sell it. So that's all what we got for today on the Nike factory store. I hope it was my weekend off, so I can go back and buy more of this Jordan 1 mid, but then again it was my weekend, so it is what it is. And then if you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.